I took $5,000 to 15,000 trading this coin, WorldCoin, created by none other than Sam Altman, the creator of ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I did this. Price is going to retrace from this point, going to go back down around maybe like 20 to 30%, near $2. From that price point, I'm looking to re-enter. We look for another 100% pump from that point. Okay, so let's initiate this sell. Okay, I do want to get out, so I'm just going to do a market order. Okay, 9,461 USDT. So this is how the trade played out. Okay, so I bought around 128, probably got around 94% return on this investment. Now, since we reached this point and I've sold, we are seeing some rejection taking place. And I'm looking for, like I said, a 20 to 30% retracement. I'll have to wait and see when it happens. I do think it's going to take place in maybe in the next couple of days, max a week. Generally speaking, it moves quite quick, especially this coin. And then look for a target of around $4.50. So let's say we go down here around $2, yeah. Looking at around a plus 100% return. So could be looking to make, depending on how much I put in, maybe like $16,000 to $18,000. All right, so I'll keep you guys updated on a following video. Welcome back, everybody. Let's get straight into it. So we sold and price has dropped beautifully around 20%. And I do believe it has the potential to go 24%. It can go a bit lower, maybe around 30%. Unfortunately, I can't actually sit here and wait for it to happen. I do have a flight to catch, so I might just have to enter the price I can get right now. And I am looking for a plus 100% return. It's just a matter of how much I'm going to put in. I had 9,461 US dollars. And at the time, I sold around 3,801 world coins. So that means right now, I will only be using 82% of my original capital from what I sold to get back the exact same number of coins. I'm just considering whether I want to buy back in with all my capital or just buy in with that and then profit the rest. I've decided what I'm going to do. I'm just going to buy back with my existing number of coins that I had before. So 3801. Doing it in order. Cool. Cool. So we got 1,762 US dollars free capital. Let's update this sheet now. Alright, let's see if we can keep this going. I'm back. It's been a week since you last heard from me. I did say that I was going to do my entry and I was going to fly out. I've been here for the past 5 days, 5-6 days, and a lot has happened. So let's get straight into the chart. We sold around here and we bought back around the $2 region, yeah? Now, I did say before that I was expecting price to drop between 20 to 30%. I entered around the 20% drop and went down to 30% right at the bottom. Yeah, that was the bottom entry to catch this pump up. I am up right now around 30%. I was up around 40%. Now, my long-term exit for this is around $4 or $5, yeah? So I'm not really worried too much right now of this pump. I'm going to wait for that long-term exit. Now, what's really funny about my entry is that apparently Sam Altman was fired right at the bottom where I entered. And then a week later, he's rehired again. Now, to me, that sounds like news and fun to bring about a response to everyone that's involved with WorldCoin. I was okay. I had some people message me like, yo, what's going on? WorldCoin's dropped, some of my students as well. And I said, listen, relax, trust the analysis, trust the system, enter and understand and know that this is something that happens in the crypto market time and time again. It's happened so many times to me now that I just feel like everything's a conspiracy, because entry of that point, the worst time in the eyes of an individual to buy was then, but the best time was for me. And it's funny how negative news combined with the analysis, it's just the perfect entry. I got my long-term exit. I want to exit around $4 or $5. I sold around this much USDT and I bought back the same number of coins. It was 3,800, but then after the fees, it was around 3,797. Now that is currently worth 9,500 US dollars. Currently worth just under 10,000. I'll catch you in the next video. Welcome back, guys. And there we have it. The trade has worked out beautifully. Look at that region right there. It's gone a 4-hour time frame. Absolutely beautiful. Accuracy in crypto is possible, is doable. I was able to predict the price of this coin where it's never been before. Yeah, this is something not a lot of people can do, and this is something that we specialize with here at Come Learn Crypto. I caught the sell live in the flesh with my students. There you go, Bismillah. Khalas. 15K live in the flesh. MashaAllah. Now, as you can see, that was a snippet of me taking the sell of 15,000 US dollars within the lesson whilst I was teaching the students how to catch trades like this one. Now, if you're interested in learning how to invest in the crypto market or trade like this, then look at the description of this YouTube video where I'll put a link for you to click on and you can book yourself in for a call to speak to one of our advisors to understand how you can get involved. To break down how I done this trade. Now, I started this investment in September 17th September 2023 with 5,000 US dollars, and then exited in November, 13th November with 9,461. I said the 20-30% drop was going to come. It happened. I re-entered with 7,757. Now I profited the remaining amount and used that elsewhere, and then had a final pump of this amount. Now it did get to that region. I didn't sell there as I was looking for essentially a double. So that wraps up this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on this investment. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. And if you are looking to learn about crypto and invest in crypto, head over to comelearncrypto.com, where I've got a free training and an ebook which you can enjoy in your free time.